first and foremost, we gotta get it prepped and ready. So let's go ahead and get it done. Now that we got it all dried up, we're going to go ahead and get her prepped by starting with the clay bar. A little lube action. Let's go. So we just got done clay bar back here. You guys think your vehicle's clean if you washed it? It's a game, guys. That's awesome Camaro right there. So we gotta have a judgment line. Let's take a look at before we start correcting the hood. Clay bar done, and now she is prepped and ready to go. Now it's time to get into some correcting mode. I think I'll go with the dark blue pad today. We got paint correction done. Now it's time to get on with ceramic coating, graphene coating. So, glass, we'll get the shield glass by Majestic Solutions. This goes usually for about a year. I love this stuff right here. All the trimming on the outside will get this shield trimmed. This stuff is actually semi-permanent, so it can last the lifetime of the vehicle. Awesome stuff. It brings the black right back. And then one of my favorite coatings from Majestic Solutions is their 7-year graphene coatings. And I will bet this stuff is the best graphene coating on the market. I will bet money on it. This stuff is the easiest to apply, and the gloss with this is amazing, and protection is even absolutely better than anything on the market today for the graphene coatings. That baby right there is gonna look like a diamond in a rough. Let's get to it, guys. Coated, she's cured, She's ready for her own to get here. Let's take a quick peek at her. See how she really looks. Come on, let's take a look.